Hello, good morning, my dear students of grade 6. It is my fourth period for you from Geography chapter 1. The topic is the solar system. Dear students, the solar system is formed by the sun, 8 planets, and some other heavenly bodies like asteroids and meteorites. So you can define solar system this way. The sun, the family of 8 planets, and some other heavenly bodies like asteroids, meteorites, satellites form a system known as solar system. Dear students, here is an important trick that my efficient mother served us noodles. One minute, my dear students. Just my very efficient mother just served us noodles. First letter of this sentence of every word belongs to the name of planet. As you know that there are 8 planets in the solar system. First, Mercury, V, Venus, E, Earth, M, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. N for Neptune. Here is the Sun. It indicates that Sun is the dominant member of the solar family. It is the head of the solar system, of its solar family. It is closest star to the Earth. That is why it looks bigger in size. It provides heat and light for all forms of life on the Earth. It contains more than 99.87% of the entire mass of its family. Very big in size, large in size, the Sun. Our solar system gets all heat and light from the Sun and checks the movement of planets. Because of closeness to the Earth, the heat and light reaches on the Earth and it takes 8.3 minutes to reach on the Earth. Dear students, the second nearest star of the Earth is Proxima Centauri. Takes more than 4 years sun's diameter is more than 100 times than the earth and its mass is 3 lakh million more than that of the earth. Here is very clarification that the diameter of the sun's diameter is more than 100 times that of the earth and its mass is 3 lakh more times than of the earth. It contains very lighted materials like hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen accounts for 70%, helium accounts for 28%, and all other components contribute only 2%. The sun is the source of heat and light on the earth. The temperature at its surface has been calculated at 6000 degrees Celsius and the temperature at its center is also has been calculated and that is 15 million degrees Celsius. This is the description of the sun. Now these are all 8 planets. Mercury, first of all, you have to know about the definition of planets. The heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun and do not have its own heat and light are called planets. The word planet derived from Greek word that means wanderer. It means wanderer. Wanderer. The planet is derived from Greek word planetai, that means wanderer. Dear students, planets always in movement around the sun and they take different times. As you know that the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun, and several other planets also take different times. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and it takes very short time to revolve around the sun. It takes nearly 88 days to revolve once around the sun. Next is V for Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and it is second nearest planet of the sun. E for Earth. You know very well about the Earth. The Earth is third nearest planet of the solar system. It is also known as a unique planet because the Earth is only a planet where favorable living conditions are available, like land, water, and air, which are essential for the survival of all forms of life. Next, Mars. Mars looks in red color, that is why it is also known as red planet. Jupiter, J for Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is largest planet in the solar system. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Third order. First four planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called inner planets. And next four others, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, known as outer planets. There are two groups of planets in solar system, inner planets and outer planets. First four planets are known as inner planets and next four planets are known as outer planets. Even Uranus and Venus and Uranus revolve the sun just opposite as all other planets. These planets revolve from east to west, and all other planets revolve around the sun from west to east. So, on both planets, it is seen that sun rises in the west and sets in the east. It is seen. So, the topics of today, the solar system, the sun and its all planets, I have explained you, and there is one topic is left that will be solved for in next classes. Thank you very much.